Let's learn how to make a simple and easy helicopter drawing step by step. Perfect for kids and beginners. Grab your pencil and let's fly into fun. First, draw a long oval shape. This will be the body of the helicopter. Add a small rotor at the tail with 2 short blades. Draw the tail, make a straight line going back and add a small triangle at the end. Now, draw a long straight line on top and add 2 blades like a plus sign. This is the main rotor. Now, add a small curve in the front for the cockpit window. Finally, draw windows and small details to complete your helicopter. Add 2 skids at the bottom like curved lines for landing. Great job! Your helicopter drawing is ready to fly. Make the drawing more visible. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color.